What's up guys, Matt from vapefuse.com here, back again helping to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest in herb vaping news and technology. Now we've been having a field day lately with our Boundless Tech portable vaporizers, and I've just brought you guys the review of my CFV and Boundless Terra portable vape, and we're just about to break down the most premium offering in our opinion, the Boundless CFX. Now the CFX is pretty simple to look at. It's got a pretty advanced display compared to most portable vapes, with this big sort of odometer style reading on the front there. But in terms of that, it's nothing too special to look at. It's sort of pretty similar to the Boundless CFV on the left here. It's a little bit smaller obviously, and it has a much larger OLED display compared to the CFV, which just has this little sort of embedded OLED display on the side. But in terms of production and flavor and everything, this vape is outstanding. And heat up time you can see as well, that one just heated up to 190 in the 5 seconds that it stood next to me. But this one, if we open it up and have a look at the chamber, it utilizes a semi-dual conduction and convection form of heating up the herbs. It's got that embedded heating element in the bottom that helps to heat up the ceramic baking chamber, and then it also heats up the air as you're drawing it through the bottom of the device. Now as you guys can see from the filling chamber, this device does not mess around. Looking at the inside of the chamber, you can see that it has the capacity to fit up to 1 gram of dried herb, which is unheard of in a portable vaporizer. Now desktops like the Volcano and the Ariza Extreme Q may even need up to 1 gram to operate, but portable vapes, even like the one on the left pictured here, the CFV, only usually need up to 0.3, 0.4 of a gram. So this device, if you're looking to pack her up for a long session or take it out for a day of vaping, it's really going to be your go-to for that style of vaporization. So I find it awesome if having a session with mates to pack it all the way up to the top. You can keep passing it around and everyone can get a bunch of hits. But if you're just looking to have a solo session, this device also does work admirably with a half-packed chamber. So we've seen that half-packing is something that can be a bit of a disparity among vaporizers. So the PAX line of vapes, the PAX 3 Complete and Basic kit, comes with an included half-pack oven so that you can sort of minimize the amount of the herbs that are going in there. So microdosing, as it becomes more and more of a thing, people are looking for ways to get the most out of their device without having to use heaps of herbs. So that was one thing that I sort of considered when I first tried out this device. It seemed to me like if you have to use 1 gram each time to get a session on, then it's not really worthwhile. You're going to be consuming more dried herbs than smoking even would. But once I've had a few cracks at it and tried it out a couple of times, I figured out this really is a fantastic device. Now the Boundless CFX is the perfect vaporizer for both novices and connoisseurs, as it offers simplicity and sophistication. Now included in the kit is a waxy cup, so it's got a stainless steel cup. It's huge, it's way bigger than any of the concentrate inserts that I've ever come across. And inside that is a little organic cotton pad, so whether you want to chuck in concentrates or liquids or your dry herbs, you can consume a number of substances through your Boundless CFX. And this device features full spectrum digital temp control, goes all the way up to 230 degrees Celsius, and although it doesn't have a removable battery, it actually offers dual charging ports in the back here. So it's got a DC charger that plugs into the wall, as well as the traditional micro USB charger. Now, if you're looking for a device to take on the go for long journeys, the battery is not that fantastic compared to, let's say, the Mighty or a Crafty, so a device of its similar size. But because it has that fantastic flavor output, it really uses a lot of its batteries sort of to deliver those optimized hits of vapor. So if you're looking for a device for at-home use and semi-on-the-go use, this really is going to be your go-to. So check out the Boundless CFX in the VapeFuse store. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in herb vaping news and tech.